morning, my name is Vinu Venkatesh. Today we're going to discuss the sample questions for pronouns and apply some of the rules that we learnt last class. So, shall we get started? So let's take a look at some of the sample questions, alright? The first one, he feels his problems are as painful as, if not more agonizing than their. Okay, so what are we trying to say? We're trying to say that this particular person feels that his problems are as painful as, if not more agonizing than their problems, right? So we have to add either their problem or theirs in the sentence to make it correct. So how do we get this right? He feels that his problems are as painful as, if not more agonizing than their problems or theirs. All right? Now, the priest emphasized that it is the duty of all citizens to love each other. We discussed last class the difference between each other and one another. We discussed that each other would be used when we're talking about two people and one another would be used when we're talking about more than two people, right? So in this case, the correct sentence would be, the priest emphasized that it is the duty of all citizens to love one another. Sorry about that. Yeah. Okay. Now, people living in low-lying areas find themselves difficult to cope up with the situation. What are we talking about? We're talking about people who live in low-lying areas. They find themselves difficult to cope up with the situation. They are finding it difficult to cope with the situation. First of all, such as cope up with. It is cope with the situation, number one. So they're finding it difficult about what? They're finding it difficult to cope with the situation, right? So we have to correct it by saying people living in low-lying areas find it difficult to cope with the situation. It is the pronoun used to talk about the situation. All right, let's take a look at the next sample question. Despite the merger, the airlines have managed to give its employees the due salary. So what is a pronoun here? It is a possessive case pronoun. What is it replacing? It is replacing airlines, right? Now, airlines are in plural, but its is a singular. So what should we write instead of its? We should say their. So despite the merger, the airlines have managed to give their employees the due salary. Next, the principal is displeased with us because he does not understand why we object to him coming with the secretary. So again, here, what are we talking about? We are saying the principal is displeased with us because he does not understand why we object to him coming with the secretary. Now, coming is a gerund, right? It is the verb come plus ing. So the rule goes like, we have to use only possessive case pronouns with gerunds. So we have to say the principal is displeased with us because he does not understand why we object to his coming with the secretary. All right? Now, second example also relies on this rule. It goes like, she becoming a newcomer, she was not able to get a good role. Now, becoming is a gerund. So we have to use a possessive case pronoun and say, her becoming a newcomer, she was not able to get a good role. Now let's move on to the next sample. Mr. Prakash told his staff that each of they should be able to carry out the work. Now, we know from our previous classes that we have to use only objective case pronouns after prepositions, right? So what is the preposition here? The preposition is basically, Mr. Prakash told his staff that each of they should be able to carry out the work. The preposition is of. So they is a subjective case pronoun and we have to replace it by an objective case. So the correct answer would be, Mr. Prakash told his staff that each of them should be able to carry out the work. Okay. Now, next. Finally, it was decided that you, Moni, and I will finish your project together. Now, we talked about common subjects, right? So here, what is a common subject? The common subject is your project. But we also learned that in this case, if there is an I in the sentence, we have to use our as the common subject preposition. We also know that in case of positive sentences, we have to use the follow. We have to follow the order second person, third person, and first person. So keeping all of that in mind, the correct sentence would be, finally, it was decided that you, the second person, Moni, the third person, and I will finish our project together. After the operation, the patient has to be put on an immunosuppressant so that its immune system does not fail. Now here, what is a pronoun that is used? They have used the possessive case pronoun called its. So what is its refer to? Its immune system. Whose immune system? The patient's immune system. Now since patient is a human being, he has to be either him or her. So we have to replace it by he or she, right? So the correct answer would be, after the operation, the patient has to be put on an immunosuppressant so that his or her immune system does not fail. Got it? Now, next, it was me who telephoned the firemen when fire broke out. All right. Now, here we learnt in our previous class that after the phrase to be or any of it, we always have to use a subjective case pronoun. So it has to be, it was I, not me, who telephoned the firemen when fire broke out. So it was I, all right, because I is a subjective case pronoun, whereas me is an objective case pronoun. Next, it was in a fit of anger when the servant told the owner that he didn't want to be a person like he. Now we learned that after let, like, between, always use the object noun. So in this case, the correct objective case pronoun would be him. So it was in a fit of anger when the servant told the owner that he did not want to be a person like him. Sorry, there's a typo. We have to add did not and not did want. So it is did not want to be a person like him. All right. Next, let she and Amit do what they want to. Now again, this goes back to the previous rule where after let we have to use an objective case pronoun. So here it would be let her and Amit do what they want to. Moving on to the next sample. One must be careful in his selection of words when talking to others. There is an S afterwards. Please excuse, please add that. So what is a pronoun here? Pronoun here used is one. Okay, so when there is a rule that when one is used as a subject, the pronoun to be used is ones, right? So I beg your pardon, the pronoun is not one, it's a word which is used as a subject. So here, it says one must be careful in his selection, but as per the rule, we should say one must be careful in one's selection of words when talking to others, right? As it was Rajan's first interview, his parents suggested that he dress him in the best available suit. Now, here they have used the pronoun him and it comes after the verb dress. So what did we talk about last class? We said that reflexive pronouns are pronouns which are used after a verb, right? So as it was Rajan's first interview, his parents suggested that he dress himself in the best available suit. My father and myself are great followers of the tenets of socialism and will vote according to his wish. Now, again, here there is a common subject, right? So, which is being put forward as his wish. Now, here we have said that we can never use reflexive or emphatic pronouns as the subjects of a sentence. So, myself here is a reflexive or an emphatic pronoun. That has to be replaced by what kind of pronoun? The subjective case pronoun, right? Because those are the only pronouns that can be used which are generally used as a subject of a particular sentence. So we have to say, my father and I are great followers of the tenets of socialism and will vote according to our wish. His wish has been replaced by our wish because when there is a common subject, we have to use possessive case pronouns, and in this case, since there is an I in the sentence, we have to use the pronoun in the common subject as our, which is a plural possessive case pronoun for the first person. All right, now next, the book is very interesting and its theme is based on current social topics. Now, the possessive case pronoun is its without an apostrophe s. That's what the sentence is trying to say, but it has used it apostrophe s. It apostrophe s means it is or it has. It is a short form for it is or it has. It has nothing to do with being a possessive case pronoun. So it has to be replaced by, the book is very interesting and its theme, that is its without the apostrophe s, is based on current social topics. Okay, next let's moving on to the next sample question. When a group of teenagers visited the bungee jumping center, little did they know that even the smallest of mistakes could land them in a hospital. So what is the pronoun used here? The pronoun is they, right? Oops, they. What is it replacing? It is replacing the collective noun, a group of teenagers. All right. Now, what is the collective noun? Is it teenagers? It is group. Now, group is in the singular form. It is a singular collective noun. So what should the pronoun be? It should also be in the singular form, right? So then we have to correct it by saying, when a group of teenagers visited the bungee jumping center, little did it know that even the smallest of mistakes can land them in a hospital. It replaces they, because it is a pronoun for the collective noun group, which is a group, that is a singular, and therefore the pronoun that replaces it should also be in the singular. Got it? Now, despite a long trial, the convict was released because the panel was not unanimous in its decision. We learnt last class that when collective nouns which are based on thoughts, ideas, opinions, etc., such as panel, have differences in opinion, it is treated as a plural collective noun, and therefore the verb following it should also be in the plural. So therefore here we have to write the panel were not unanimous in its decision. What is the its referring to? Its is referring to the panel. Now we are saying that because the decisions are not unanimous, panel is treated as a plural noun, right? So the pronoun that replaces it should also be in the plural, and therefore it should be their decision. So despite a long trial, the convict was released because the panel were not unanimous in their decision. Okay. Now, next, there have been issues between India and US in the past, though both have played it down and blamed media speculation. What is the pronoun that is used? The pronoun used is it. What is it referring to? Issues between India and US. That's plural, right? So the pronoun also has to be in the plural, and it should be them. Right? Because it's an objective case pronoun, and objective case pronouns are the pronouns that are used after the verb. Here that verb is played. So there have been issues between India and the US in the past, though both have played them down and blamed media speculation. Now, despite the odds, I and he would enjoy ourselves the fond memories of her relationship. There is a mistake here. Please correct, change her to him, her to his. Now, we learnt yesterday that whenever there is an object after a verb, reflexive pronouns cannot be used. So here, there is an object after the verb enjoy. So we have to remove the reflexive pronoun ourselves. What is the object? The object is the fond memories of his relationship. All right. Okay, now what kind of a sentence is this? This is a positive sentence. So what should the order of the pronouns be? It has to be second person, third person, and first person. So here there's no second person, but there is a third person. So it has to be he and I. All right. We also have a common subject called his relationship. We know that in a sentence with a common subject where there is an I in that sentence, then the pronoun to be used in the common subject should be our. So keeping all this in mind, the correct sentence would be, despite the odds, he and I would enjoy the fond memories of our relationship. Got it? Now, last question. The bride and the groom finally killed each other or themselves due to the tension between the two families. Now this sentence is correct because it's correct to say killed each other, because each other is also is used when two people are basically killing, two people are involved. There are two people involved here. It is also correct to use themselves because themselves becomes a reflexive pronoun which is used after the verb killed. Alright, so what is the difference between each other and themselves? When you say each other, it means that the bride killed the groom and the groom killed the bride. Yeah, I know it sounds funny. So what is the difference when we say the bride and the groom finally killed themselves? When we say themselves, it means that the bride killed herself and the groom killed himself. Well, I really hope such a thing doesn't happen, but that's the meaning. This example was used just to convey the difference between each other and themselves. So this brings us to the end of today's class. I really hope you found it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know through the comment box on YouTube. I'd be more than happy to answer that. So hope to see you again next time. Until then, wish you all the very best and take care.